Alright guys, so we have Maytag refrigerator here, double door, like that, and freezer down below. So the problem that I'm having here is this control board blacked out. Alright, so if I press something, it would just blink, and any keys I press, it would just do that. Alright, so I've been searching online on how to troubleshoot this issue, and people have replaced the control board in the back, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go replace this control board and see what happens. Alright guys, so at the back of the fridge, okay, unplug your plug for the fridge, and in the back here you're gonna see a cover here, and it's alright, it's bolted with 4 7 mil bolts or screws. Alright, so I'm going to remove all those 4. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking at here. There is a plastic cover. Okay, it's a transparent cover, and to remove it is from here. There's an opening here where you put your finger. Alright. Alright, so there's an opening right here. Right? And use a flathead screwdriver to just pop that up just like that. So this one is basically locked to this. Alright, so you especially want to push it that way so you can remove the plastic coverings. Alright, so just like that. Okay, so like I was saying earlier, so it's retained, the plastic covering is retained with this tab right here. Okay, so the next step would be is to remove each harnesses. Alright, so there's 2, 3, 4 harnesses. Okay, so you just basically press this tab, remove it. Same with the other. Press the tab, remove. Press the tab, remove. Press this tab, remove. There you go. So once you get all those harnesses out, you can remove the circuit board. Okay, and to do that, alright, to remove it, see the plastic, that plastic thing? Alright, so that's what's holding the circuit board. So there's 2. There's one on top, there's one in the bottom. Alright, and so basically it slides in here, so you want to push it out that way. Alright, sorry guys for the lighting here. It's a little messy because I'm holding onto the camera and to the light at the same time. Alright, yes, I can see if I can. There you go. It's a lot better. See, we'll show you guys how to remove the circuit board. Okay, why is there a crack there? Starting from here, see how I'm pushing to that tab, and I'm gonna wanna pull the circuit board out, like just like that. Alright guys, so here's the tab right here. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm basically gonna bring that down and at the same time I'm gonna pull it out towards me, and then at the top same thing. So I'm gonna push this tab up, and then I'm gonna pull the circuit board towards me, just like that. And then and then slide it out this way. Alright. Okay guys, so this is the circuit board. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the model number for the circuit board. It's calling out for Maytag W103126995B. Alright, so that's what I was looking for online, and I stumbled upon this one on Amazon and got the same part number. So I'm just gonna compare it right before I open it, just to make sure, right? Because you can't return this when it's open, right? It's noted right here. Bag is open, cannot be returned. Okay guys, so this is the new circuit board. Okay. And it looks pretty identical to the old one. Okay, so this is the old one and this is the new one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. Okay, alright guys, so this is the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Alright, so alright, so it's gonna go behind this harness. It's gonna go behind this harness. Oh my god, get out of the way. Alright, just like that. Alright, so it's gonna go underneath that holder. Alright, and I'm just basically gonna squeeze this in just like that. Alright, so the bottom is in, so that's locked, and this one needs to be pushed in a little bit more, and I can't do it while I'm filming, so I'm gonna go turn this off and show you guys later. Alright guys, so that tab is in, that tab is locked in, about locked in. Alright, so the next step is to put all the harnesses back in. So you just basically push it in just like so, just like so. Just like so, just like so. Alright, okay, so I'm just making sure that everything's plugged in alright, because I don't want to come back around here. Okay, and I'm gonna put the plastic cover back on. So it goes in this side first. See this tab right here? See that tab? This tab will go in there. So there's two. Alright, so that's one, and there's two. And then you just basically push that in. So that's in. So once that's in, we're gonna put the metal cover back in. And this one only goes in one way, so you won't mess this up guys. So that's gonna be like, I think it's gonna be like this. Okay, hang on a second. Alright guys, so the cover, the metal sheet cover, it goes in just like this. So notice this. So that part of the metal actually goes into here. Alright, so I'll be facing this way. Alright. So just like that, then line up the holes. So that hole is lined up. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna have to turn this off and put all the screw back on, so then I'll show you guys because I can't film it at the same time. Right, hang on a second. Alright guys, so the screws are back in. All I have to do now is snug them back in. Hi. I can't see what I'm doing. There you go. So we're all done. Now we're done. It's time to program the board. Okay. It's now time to plug the cord back in. There you go. It's in. Right guys, so once you plug turn the power on to the refrigerator, you want to go in and retrieve the pin code. Alright, so my pin code can be found right on top here. Code is 1720. Others, you may find it right there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in programming mode. Alright guys, so since I got the pin code, right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on programming mode. To do that, I'm gonna have to press this, and within 3 seconds I'm gonna press the down, then let go of the door alarm, let go of this one. Alright, so I'm gonna do that right now. Press, let go. There you go. So that's the programming mode, and you're gonna use this cursor up and down to toggle to the next line. Okay guys, so once you get to the programming mode, you press the down button and it will take you to this mode. So now it's time to put in the pin code. Alright, and to do that you're gonna have to go use this toggle to adjust the digit value. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this. So that's 1. So my code is 1720, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, I went ahead and press this one to turn this into 1, and to get to the next line I'm gonna press this, actually to the up button to get to the next line. See the dot button is now in this line, so now I'm gonna go ahead and press this toggle and go to 7. I'm gonna go press the up again, so I need to go to 2. So 1720, that's the code, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and press this button again. Alright, so I got the code here, PE1720. The code is 1720, and see the dot is right at the end there. And to confirm the code, you're gonna have to press this button, hold it until it's, so now you can see that it's programmed to PE1720. Alright, so once you put in your programming code, you press any key and alright guys, so I've already pressed any keys on the panel here, and now it's working fine. To confirm that, wait for the next day and see if the refrigerator is cool and the freezer is actually cooling. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.